Hello everyone, welcome to Drive Your Logic. Today's topic is integers. Okay, so I'm going to start this chapter. So before I start the chapter, I will tell you all about the signs which are going to come or which you are going to face in this chapter. So before you start the chapter, please note down these signs, okay? And then you have to remember what happens when plus sign is added with plus sign like this. I have noted down all the signs. You have to note down this, okay? Then the chapter will be very easy for you all to solve. So let's start. First comes plus. You have to add plus. So when you add 2 plus and plus, suppose plus 2 plus 7, what happens? You have to do addition, but you have to put the sign of greater digit. Are you confused? So let's show some example. Plus 2 add with plus 7. You always have to put bracket when two signs are beside each other. You have to put bracket for this part. Okay? You can't put both the sign together. That is not a good process, or you can say that's not a rule. Fine? So what you have to do here, plus 2, both plus into plus. See, this means bracket means multiplication. So plus into plus, here you come, plus into plus, you have to put the sign, because here you don't have to do anything, the numbers are not given. Here there is no number. If there would be any number, you can imagine here as 1. So 1 into 7 is 7, plus into plus. Plus into plus, you have to put the sign plus. So directly plus into plus, you will put the sign plus. Okay? Then plus plus. Now there is no multiplication. Now you have to add. So in every sum, you will find addition, multiplication or subtraction together in the means after chapters, after exercise. Okay? Now plus plus, what you have to do? Plus plus, you have to add. Do add means in your mind you will do the addition. And what sign you are going to put? Sign of the greater digit. Here 7 is your greater digit. So the sign of 7 is positive. So you have to put the positive 9 here. Am I clear? Let's go for the second part. Always remember, when you solve this, you need this. Okay. Now, plus minus, you have to do subtraction. So, plus 10, add 2 integers. 2 integers, one integer is 10, another integer is minus 20. So, one is positive integer, one is negative integer. How to add this? I will first open the bracket. Means I will discard the bracket. So plus into minus, come here again where it is plus into minus. You have to put the sign. You have to think here sign, because here there is no multiplication part, or you can imagine here 1, as I told you before also, 1 into 20 is 20. Okay, and what sign you are going to put? Plus into minus. So plus into minus, the sign will be minus. Now what you have to do? Plus minus. So plus minus, you have to add this two. Okay, so plus minus, you have to, this is addition, means subtract, this is addition, the sum is addition, but then plus and minus, you have to do subtraction. So 20 minus 10, answer is 10, but you will put the sign of the greater digit. Now don't get confused, ma'am, you are saying this is addition, then you are doing the sign is subtraction. Actually here it is addition. Okay, then when we convert this to, it becomes subtraction. That doesn't mean you have to subtract here. Okay, that doesn't mean you have to show that this is subtraction sum. This is addition sum, but since the digits are opposite, plus and minus, so according to the given this tricks, plus and minus you have to subtract. That doesn't mean this is a subtraction sum. Plus minus, you have to subtract Then you have subtracted 20 minus 10. Of course, you will subtract the bigger number from the smaller or the smaller from the bigger. So, you will subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So, here 20 is greater and 10 is smaller. So, 20 minus 10, your answer is minus 10, because the sign of the greater digit is of 20. So, 20 sign you will put it. I hope it is clear. Now, this one, minus 10, you find the sum with plus 20. Same way, minus 10, plus into plus, you have to put the plus sign only, 20. So, now, minus plus, where it is minus plus? Minus plus. So, what you will do minus plus? You have to do subtraction. This is also addition sums. But according to this process, minus plus when you get, minus plus when you get, you have to do subtraction, that is 20 minus 10, 10. But then what sign you are going to put? You are going to put the sign of the greater digit, and greater is 20, so the answer will be plus 10. You have to take the sign of the greater digit. Next one, minus 20, add with minus 20. Open the bracket, minus 20 plus minus how much? Where it is plus minus, you have to put the sign minus and then 20. Minus minus, what to do? Minus minus, you have to add. Minus minus, you have to add. So, 20 plus 20, 40. What sign you are going to put? Sign of the greater digit, but both the digits are same. So, any sign you can put. Am I clear? So, your answer is minus 40. So, this also you understood, this also you understood. Now, there can be like this sums for multiplication I am showing you. Suppose plus 20 multiply with minus 20. Now, what to do? What you will do? You have to plus minus, multiply direct, there is no addition sign, plus minus, and plus minus is how much? Where it is plus minus, minus, sign will be minus, okay, and 20 into 20 is 400. So, you are doing the multiplication and you are putting plus minus minus, okay. Now, I am showing you some smaller one, let's do it. Suppose I am taking minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 8. What to do? First you multiply all, okay. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 8 is 48. Multiply it. You can use your rough to do the multiplication if the digits are greater, bigger numbers. Now, minus into minus is plus, minus into minus is plus, and then this 2 is plus, again plus into minus is minus. Bit tricky, right? No need of thinking so much. What I will do, or one more trick. The trick is that whenever there will be odd minus sign, suppose like this, see odd number of minus sign is there. Don't think minus minus plus plus minus minus, no need of doing those all things, okay. Just remember one thing, this is also one trick. Minus sign, when there is odd time minus sign, the sign will be always minus, and when minus sign is even time in the question, the sign will be always plus. Just remember this much, this is very important. So, here odd number times, I hope you know what is odd number, what is even number. Means 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd number times. Okay. So, these are odd number times, means minus sign is there 1 time, minus sign is there 3 time, minus sign is there 5 time. Like this if you get directly, no need of counting anything, no need of doing anything like this, just put minus sign. So, same here odd number times, so I will put directly minus sign and I will multiply this. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24. That's it. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now, This goes for multiplication, and now I am showing you one big sum. Let's do. Suppose plus minus 20 plus minus 30 plus minus 40. I need to solve this type of sign. What I will do? Minus 20 plus into minus is minus, plus into minus is minus. This bracket means only multiply. That time you don't get confused. Okay, plus into minus, minus sign. You have to open the bracket. Plus into minus, minus sign. Like this you open it. Now all the sign are minus. So you can do it together. But there is one more rule is there. When all the sign is minus, you add all and put the minus sign. So 40, 70, 90. Because minus minus is plus. Again plus minus. So sign is there, minus minus, okay, but then the sign will be, now let me solve it in stepwise, then you will understand more. Suppose this much you take first, minus minus, minus minus, you have to add and put the sign of the greater digit. So greater digit is 30, okay, so minus 50 and this one. Now second number you will take, this number you will take, the third one, minus minus, you have to add sign of the greater digit. So you can add all together and write directly minus 90, because 40 all minus are there, that means you have to add, or you can do stepwise. Okay, one more sum I am showing you how to arrange and add. For example, it's a big sum, or I will take it here minus sign. Okay, now let's solve this one. 40 minus into minus into, bracket means into, multiplication, minus into minus, sign will be what? Plus 30, plus into minus, where is plus into minus, sign will be what? Minus 20, minus into minus, plus this one. Now see, like this sign you can solve one by one also, but better you arrange all the addition. Always remember, whatever number is given, that number sign is this one, the before number 1, okay. The before place, that is the sign of the given number. So this number sign is plus. Now I will arrange all the add in one side and the subtract numbers in the right side. Now plus 40 plus 30 plus 10 minus 20. I have arranged in this way. Okay. Now you add this portion, 40, 70, 80, plus 80, what is left? Minus 20. Then plus minus, come here, plus minus, you have to do subtraction. Think in your mind and do subtraction. What sign to put? Greater digit sign. Plus 60. I think it is very interesting. Plus 60. So you are doing multiplication also, you are doing addition also, you are doing subtraction also, everything you are doing it here. So you just have to remember these 8 signs. These signs are very much important. You can make one diary and write down all the, you can make the diary as formula diary and note down this all sign. If you are clear with this sign, you can do any sum. So let us solve one more sum. 500, okay, minus 200, okay, then minus 100. So nothing to solve here. Plus 500 plus into minus, minus 200 minus 100. Now minus sign is this side. What I told you before, arrange it. So this portion you solve it. No need of putting any bracket, okay. This one I am doing it to show you all. This much, you minus minus, you know minus minus, you have to add. So 200 plus 100 is 300, sign of the bigger number. No need of doing step by step. Try to make the step less. So plus minus, you have to do subtraction. In mind you will do the subtraction and put the sign plus. Some people I have seen like that. Now suppose this 300 is written this side, minus 300 and plus 500. Okay, I have seen that minus plus, you have to do minus, so you are doing it in this way. Oh, I have to do minus, so no, that's a very wrong process. You will never do that. Don't you ever do that, okay? You no need of doing that. Whatever it is given, always try to arrange the addition this side and the subtraction that side. So like this you arranged it, plus minus, minus no need of writing, you will do it in your mind. So 200 is the answer and sign of the greater digit. Am I clear? Okay. So in my next class I will show you about the addition properties. There are few properties are there of addition, like closure property, commutative property, associative property. Those properties are very important, but then most important things are the sign. In integers you have to learn the sign very nicely, because when you are counting with the negative portion, it's very much important. One thing more you have to remember, that this number is greater than this number. How much you are going this side, how much you are going left side, the numbers are smaller, and how much you are going to the right side, the numbers are greater or larger, you can say. Okay, so these numbers are larger. So if I give you in integer, which is greater, minus 5 is greater or minus 50 is greater, which is greater? Don't think of the number that 50 is there. No, here this is greater, because you have to remember these, that first minus 5 comes, then after some time minus 50 comes. So how much you are going back, that means you are going lesser, and how much you are going this side, that is greater. Okay, so this is very important to know the scale. You have to know the scale and you have to play with the numbers of positive and negative both. So integer basically means you have to play with negative and positive numbers both. And then multiplication comes, division comes. In division also you will get more properties are there. Once you know multiplication, then you can do division also. Same thing here also, same thing, nothing is changed. Here plus minus, put the sign minus, nothing. Here also you are doing multiplication, plus minus, but the thing is you are doing divide like this, 6 into 1, 6 into 4, but plus into minus is minus. Division also same thing, nothing is changed here. I will show you this all part, or I will solve some sums with you all, but then before this you just note down these signs properly. These signs are very much important, and before also sign tricks I have shown you few signs of plus, that when it is a dash plus, dash minus, please go through that video. Okay, so thank you for today. Please go through my full video, okay, and subscribe my channel. Bye, have a great day.